Good morning to you all. Hello students. This topic is the continuation of the topic Methods of Contraception of class 10, chapter Reproduction. I would request you to see this video till the last, and I'm sure you'll be getting all these methods of contraceptions and easy to understand, and even you can make your notes. आप बहुत ही आसानी से अपने नोट्स भी बना पाएंगे और इन सारे मेथड्स को समझ भी पाएंगे. इन माई लास्ट वीडियो मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियो में आपको बताया कि देर आर डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ स्टॉपिंग द फ्यूजन ऑफ गैमेट्स विच इज़ नोन एज कॉन्ट्रासेप्शंस और कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स. सो व्हाट वर दोज मेथड्स? वो मेथड्स क्या थे? वो मेथड्स थे नेचुरल मेथड, बैरियर मेथड, एंड द थर्ड वन वॉज IUD. In this video, I am going to make you understand chemical method and hormonal, or you can say surgical method, not hormonal, sorry, that you can say surgical method, chemical method and surgical method. So these two methods I am going to make you understand in this video. First of all, let us go through the hormonal method, which is actually hormonal pills which are taken by the female. Why? To stop ovulation, or you can say to kill the ova. This is taken whole month, 26 days. As the period gets over, females start taking these pills, and these pills are having some hormones which not only stops the ovulation but also never let the ova come towards the fallopian tube, and this fusion of gamete not done. So in this way, the fusion of gametes stopped, but there are some side effects of these pills. Mostly doctors do not prescribe. अब डॉक्टर्स इसे प्रेस्क्राइब नहीं करते हैं. इन पिल्स का जो साइड इफेक्ट है हार्मोनल डिसऑर्डर्स, फीमेल में यूजुअली देखा गया है कि इन पिल्स के द्वारा हार्मोनल डिसऑर्डर होता है. सेकेंड थिंग इज देयर दैट दे मे गेट नोजिया, हेडेक and bulkiness, or means increasing in weight. So these all are the side effects of this hormonal pills. So doctors usually now do not prescribe these kind of pills to be taken by the female. Sometimes what happen, if this the process of copulation has taken place or intercourse has taken place and that was not prevented, that was not no preventive measures has taken, after that also these pills can be taken to stop the pregnancy, So this was the chemical methods. Now I am going to make you understand about surgical method. Under surgical method, there are different processes. The first one is castration. Means what? Removal of testis. Obviously, अगर testis ही scrotal sac से testis को निकाल दिया जाएगा, then spermatogenesis will stop. तो वहाँ पे स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस होगा नहीं, और जब स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस नहीं होगा, इसका मतलब फॉर्मेशन ऑफ गैमेट्स विल स्टॉप, मेल गैमेट विल स्टॉप. सो नो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्म, देन नो चांसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन, नो चांसेस ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जाइगोट. द सेकेंड वन इज ओवेरिएक्टोमी. What is written? Ovaryectomy means removal of ovaries from female reproductive part. Ovary is the female reproductive part. So the removal of ovary also is one of the permanent method of stopping pregnancy, because we know well the egg get matured. ये egg जो है उनकी maturity जो है वो ovary में होती है, और ओव्यूलेशन भी ओवरी से होता है. तो जब ये ओवरी ही हटा दिया जाएगा अगर फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट से, तो देयर विल नॉट बी एनी ओव्यूलेशन, सो फ्यूजन ऑफ गैमेट्स विल बी स्टॉप्ड. Third one is vasectomy. Vasectomy takes place in male. Vasectomy takes place in male. This is also permanent process of stopping the fusion of gametes, or the process of fertilization. What is done in that case? In that case, if you remember, when I was teaching you this male reproductive system. In that I have made you understand. So there is a common passage. So if you remember, this is what testis. This is what testis. If you remember, this is what testis. Over the testis epididymis is there, in which sperm is formed in the testis and they get mature in epididymis. यहाँ आके वो थोड़ी देर के लिए स्टोर होते हैं और फिर यहाँ से ये कहाँ की ओर बढ़ते हैं, ये वास डिफरेंस की ओर बढ़ते हैं. Then in vasectomy what is done, you know, vas difference, the part of vas difference is cut. This small part of vas difference is cut. उसे रिमूव कर दिया जाता है, कट एंड रिमूव. इन्हें कट कर दिया जाता है और रिमूव कर दिया जाता है और यहाँ पे एक नॉट लगा दिया जाता है. दोनों कट पार्ट के पास एक नॉट लगा दिया जाता है. So in that way what happened, you know, no doubt that sperm is formed, and after the formation of sperm moves towards the vas difference, but it does not reach for releasing or for transferring in female reproductive organ, because it's not completing its journey. If you see properly, when sperm is formed, it has to travel through the vas difference to go to the penis for the transfer of gamete, but that cannot be done because right in between one part is removed. This is called vasectomy. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Vasectomy. Now what do we mean by tubectomy? Then the fourth method is tubectomy. What do we mean by tubectomy? Tubectomy means what? Here also I had explained you, in female reproductive system that finger like structure is there, and where this ovary, just near the ovary there is a finger like structure, and this is what I have told you is fallopian tube. This is what the fallopian tube. Two ovaries are there. So यहाँ क्या किया जाता है? Exactly जहाँ से ovulation होता है, ये ovary है, इससे ovulation होता है, then egg goes to fallopian tube. So right here only part of fallopian tube is cut and removed. A very small part of the fallopian tube is cut and removed. उसे हटा दिया जाता है और यहाँ पे knot लगा दिया जाता है. Then what is done? Ovulation is stopped. Now there will not be any ovulation. It will not reach to the end part of fallopian tube, and obviously then no fertilization will take place. So this is how permanently fusion of gametes stopped. And this process, इस process को हम क्या कहते हैं? इस stopping process को हम कहते हैं tubectomy. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Tubectomy. Now what is the fifth one? The fifth one is known as tubal ligation. Tubal ligation, or you can say laparoscope. Or what do we say? Laparoscope. What is done in this? You know, in this actually fallopian tubes are blocked. इस प्रोसेस में क्या किया जाता है कि इसे एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट के द्वारा, that instrument is called laparoscope. With an instrument called laparoscope, the fallopian tube is blocked. Because of that, even after ovulation, egg doesn't reach to the part where fertilization takes place. Egg जो है उसका रिलीज तो होता है, लेकिन वो उस पार्ट तक नहीं पहुंच पाता है जहाँ पे फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है. और इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? ट्यूबल लिगेशन. So I hope you people have understood this whole process of contraception. So I would request you, go for this all and try to solve some questions. I'm asking some questions. See if you have understood, you'll reply me properly. What are the different methods of contraceptions? What do you mean by contraception? What do you mean by contraception? How can you explain natural method, barrier method, IUD, chemical method and surgical method? What do you mean by IUD? What is the full form of IUD? Why the device which is used in female reproductive part is made up of copper? Why not other metals? Then what are the different types of surgical method? What do you mean by laparoscopy? What do you mean by laparoscopy? And what is tubal ligation? What is tubal ligation? So if you are able to reply all those questions, I am sure you understood well. So wait for the next video. Don't forget to write comment, like this video, and please subscribe for the next video. Thank you all of you.